So I'm going to create a section over here about us, and after that I'm going to create a row, and inside this row I want about us column. Okay, about column, and inside this column I want a heading, and that is heading to going to be like about us. Okay, and after that I want a paragraph, and let's say lorem 40, and after adding this paragraph I wanted to add a link inside it, hyper reference. Okay, then after that let's add some other text like this. Okay, so I wanted to add same text. Let's paste it. Let's, if you want to have if you wanted to have any link, you can also do that like this. Okay, and after that, after the paragraph I wanted to have a button, so let's say hashtag class ptn. Okay, a read. Inside this button I wanted to name it read more. Okay, and then let's say this is the column. Okay, this is the column that we are going to replicate, and in the next next column I just only want an image. Okay, so let's say about image header, I wanted to have a very good image, so basically we can download it. I'm gonna use the normal image right now. Later I will do. Okay, so this is the image that I'm getting over here. Okay, and this is the button and about us text. So let's quickly fix it. So in order to fix it, first I'm going to target this particular class. Okay, and let's add this, and let's make some changes. Width is going to be around like 85%, and the thing is margin I wanted to have from top to bottom around 100 pixels, then auto, and then text align must be, do not add text align because we don't need it. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And after that, after adding these two things, what I wanted to do, first I wanted to target my row. Okay, so before targeting our row, let's target our row first. So this is the row. So what do you need to do? Let's say display flex. Okay, and I wanted to give the justify content center. Okay, and after that inside this row what we are having a column. Okay, so let's target this column, and I want to change the flex basis, let's say around 48%, half and a half. Okay, and after that here you can see after adding this thing we're gonna have this image and other things. Okay, and then inside this column what we are having before doing anything, let's add some margin. Okay, so in order to add your margin, and what you wanted to add like inside the margin, let's say I wanted to have 25 pixels from top to bottom and then 30 pixels from left to right, and that's it. Okay, and you are seeing nothing right now, but I'll gonna show you that what we are having. Okay, so inside this column I wanted to have I'm already having an image. Let's give it width around 100%, so it will gonna split both of the things after adding all of these two method. Okay, so here you can see that we are getting about a section, and this is like this. So basically we have to look at the top, and what we are having 85% services section over here. Okay, and here you can see this is also 85%, and hopefully yeah, this is not looking good, so I wanted to increase the size, let's say like around 95. Okay, yeah, so now it is looking good. Okay, yeah, that's cool. So basically what I wanted to do, I wanted to create this button now, and I wanted to target this all of these things, and let's make it beautiful. Okay, so in order to create your button, in order to target your button. So here you can see that we are having this particular button inside the column. Okay, inside this column, this div is and ended over here, and this is the button. Okay, so just target this class, and let's say this is the image, and yep, and we can grab the same thing, so we don't need to do build the whole button again. Okay, so let's say I want to grab from here to here. Okay, copy this particular thing and just come up over here, and inside this button I'm gonna paste it, and the main thing that I wanted to change this. Okay, color must be this, and then after that, let's say I wanted to give some background. What kind of background we are going to have? Let's say dark but not that much, so we can also change the background color like this. Okay, and the button the font color we are going to have is this. Okay, so once someone hover on it, this will gonna turn like this. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And let's have some margin or padding. So basically this is the paragraph. Okay, and I'm going to target the paragraph. So over the button, let's target this paragraph, and let's give the some font size. Okay, font size, let's say I wanted to give like 1 rem. Okay, 1 rem is enough or not, I don't know, but maybe it will. Yeah, that's cool. And after that, what I wanted to do, let's say I wanted to give some margin from top to bottom. Margin from top to bottom, let's say 20 pixel, and auto, and that's it, nothing else. And hopefully this button will gonna work like this. Okay, that's cool. So we are having a space in it, and also in our button as well. Okay, that is the thing that I was looking for. And after that, let's target this particular heading as well. Okay, so here you can see that our heading is inside the column. Okay, so about us. So basically I wanted to change the font size first. Okay, font size is going to be primary font family, and font family, not primary font family, it's a font, let's say it's a primary font size. Okay, and then font family, what kind of font family we want to have? Same font family that we are using. Okay, so this is the font family we are going to have. Okay, and that's it. So about us is looking like this, and because why it is looking like this, because we are using H1 over here, and here we are using S2. So we need to change this particular heading as well. I'm not going to change about heading. Okay, because services is having S2, and about us also having S2. Okay, that's good. So let me see that what I did into the services, what I have done. Okay, so this is the font size. Okay, and actually we have targeted S1 over here, and that is not the way we can target this thing. Okay, and yeah, so yeah, premium services, now we are getting this we are getting these things with the same port, but the fact is we have to change it. Okay, so basically font weight I'm going to put the same. Okay, so font weight is going to be like around 500 pixel, 500. Okay, and basically what you need to do, we need to change the font font size. So basically primary heading font size is not that, we don't need to use that much big font. So basically I'm going to reduce this 2 rem. 2 rem is enough or not, I don't know. Basically I think yeah, it is enough. Yeah, that's cool. And let's say yeah, it is looking good, or you can say that 1.8 rem is enough. Okay, yeah, that's great. And the next thing we wanted to do, I wanted to have font weight. So let's create a variable primary font WIGST, and let's say give it to 600. Okay, and where is our font width? Inside this services section we are going to change our font width. Hopefully this will gonna look good. So this is the font width that I am going to use, and let me see that how it will gonna look like. Yeah, that's cool. That is the font width that I am going to use. Okay, this is the font width, and after that let's paste it over here, and that's great. So both of the things are looking good and looking same. Okay, we are having same padding from here to here, and also let's see the what kind of margin that I already given inside the services section. Okay, so let's say this is here we are having 50 pixel margin from top to bottom. So from top to bottom we can also have 50 pixel margin. Okay, so yeah, that's great. So we both like we are having very beautiful margin, and this button is also looking good. So basically we successfully created this particular thing, and let's say 1 second, because transition is too slow, so I don't want that that bad transition. Okay, so now our button is also looking good. And what I wanted to add, basically I wanted to add some I wanted to remove this particular thing first. So let's say anchor tag over here. Okay, and I wanted to have text decoration none first. Okay, so here you can see text decoration none, and it will gonna remove this line. Okay, yeah, and after that I wanted to have color. Okay, so basically I wanted to change the first thing, I wanted to change the color right here. So let's say triple, and then after that, after you hover on it, it will gonna change something like triple F. Let's have some another color, not total white, because total white will not gonna look so basically what you want to have, you wanted to have color like this. Okay, and that's it. So yeah, once someone hover on it, this will gonna change its color. But the thing is, right now it is they both are looking same, so we can swap them. Okay, yeah, so now it is looking different. Okay, yeah, that's good. And we can also change the color in a different way, like I wanted to change it in little bit different, like what I wanted to have, let's say this color. Okay, little bit different, and yeah, that's it. So basically you can also do do some experiment in it, and basically what I wanted to do inside it, I wanted to have some after it, let's say H4 premium services link places, and let's say I wanted to have a lorem 20, and let's see how it will gonna look like. Okay, so I can have this thing, but it is not required. You can have these things somewhere else, because why we already given paragraph some padding, so we can have this thing over here inside it, but I'm not going to have it somewhere else. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can do it. Okay, so yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and you can make some changes inside it. And let me show you, before closing it, let me show you one thing, that if you want to if you want to add a link inside it, you can also do that. Just come over here. Okay, and what you need to do, just type anchor tag. Okay, and you can easily paste this whole thing inside it. Okay, and nothing will gonna happen, seriously, nothing will gonna happen if you post it like this. Okay, and yeah, now this will this become link. Okay, now you can, if you want to take it to the somewhere else, you can easily do that, and you can do some changes like box shadow like this, and you can make whatever you want. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and yeah, let me show you like how it will gonna look like this. So basically our website is looking very crappy right now because we didn't added any media query right now. So later we'll gonna add some media query, and hopefully this will gonna look mobile friendly. Okay, so thanks for watching. Yeah, bye bye, take care.